my name is Adrian, and today I'll be walking you through the saliva portion of the study. This part of the study is for my senior thesis, so I really appreciate you taking part in this. Now, I'm going to be asking you to collect saliva on days 0, 1, 3, and 7. Day 0 will be the Sunday before the study starts. This will be a baseline day for us to assess your levels before the study begins. Day 1 will be the Monday that the study begins. Day 3 will be the Wednesday in the first week of the study, and day 7 will be the Sunday in the first week of the study. You'll be getting a bag similar to this. So 16 is just an example participant number. You'll be getting a participant number to ensure that your identity is kept safe and secure and that no one knows who you are in the study and that you can't be identified. Now, in this bag are an instruction sheet like this that outlines what you should be doing. And it kind of just goes over everything I'm going to talk about in this video. There's also 4 smaller bags. So they're labeled by day. So day 0, day 1, day 3, and day 7. So in these bags, there are 7 labeled tubes. Now, there is also a page that looks like this. So both of these items are important. So when you're looking at the tube, we'll use day 1 as an example, day 0 as an example. So as you can see on the tubes, your participant number is labeled there. So your participant number 16. 1 correlates to the sample number that you're taking on the sheet. So for example, this is sample 1. So it would be taken immediately after waking up. Day 0 is just the day number. So there is a 0 on the back of all of these tubes, just so you know that they correlate with day 0. Okay, so you'll be asked to collect the saliva 7 times throughout each day. So the times are immediately after waking up, 15 minutes after waking up, 30 minutes after waking up, 60 minutes after waking up, 3 hours after waking up, 6 hours after waking up, and 9 hours after waking up. Now, this sheet is very important. I need you to write down your participant number at the top, the day, so for example, this would be day 0. And then I need you to write out the plan time. Now, the plan time is kind of just for your reference, but I think it will help you in making sure that you remember to take these things. So, for the sample 1 is probably one of the most important samples you can take. So I need you to keep sample 1 right by your bedside, and I need you to collect this as soon as you wake up. And I mean as soon as you wake up. Even getting out of bed for water or the bathroom or anything like that can spike the biomarker that we are looking for and kind of throw off the data. So, if you could write the plan time, it will help you know when to take them throughout the day. Now, we are human, so if you write the plan time and then you miss it for some reason, just take the tube as soon as you remember. So, the thing I'm actually concerned about is the actual time. I need the actual time to do the calculations to basically get the data from this. So you can plan your time out, and you can, once you know when you wake up, you'll know what 15 minutes after it is, 30 minutes after it is, 3 hours after it is, and you can go from there. And then just write down the actual time that you take the tubes or take the sample. Also, if you are under a lot of stress, or if you're doing excessive exercise or intaking alcohol or using nicotine, please write this down, just so we know kind of what's going on if we see a large spike in the biomarker. Now, the biomarker we're looking for is fairly stable, but I would really like you to keep these refrigerated as much as possible. You can, however, take one of the bags with you throughout the day if you need to collect samples